Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony DSX-A415BT car radio receiver and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your radio is not syncing or pairing with your Bluetooth device or not connecting to something, or if you're having any issues where it seems to be not responding or it's frozen or it's lagging and stuff like that, any issues where it's not working and you're trying to troubleshoot it can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to set things up again, reset the time, all that kind of stuff, because it's going to be everything's going to be reset. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you're putting this receiver in a new car or anything like that where you just want to kind of get a fresh start, we can go ahead and do a hard reset. It's quite easy to do. All we need to do is come over in here and find the mode button or the back button, and then come over here and find the display button. And you're just going to, with power to the device, you're just going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously and hold them down for 2 to 3 seconds, and you will see that will cause it to reinitiate into its factory default settings.